In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update BOTIM. First, let's start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the app marketplace where you can download and update all your applications. You will see a colorful icon with a white shopping bag, often found on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tapping this icon opens up a world of apps and updates. Getting to this point is essential because it sets the stage for everything that follows. Next, once you have the Play Store open, look for your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. It typically appears as a circular image or a silhouette. Tapping this icon will open a menu with several options related to your account. This step is crucial because it allows you to access your account settings and manage your apps efficiently. From there, you will want to tap on the option that says Manage Apps and Device. This will take you to a section where you can see all the apps you have installed on your device. You will notice various options related to your device management. This is important because it helps you keep track of your applications, ensuring they are all up to date and functioning properly. Now let's move on to the next step. Once you are in the Manage Apps and Device section, look for the Updates Available option. This will show you a list of apps that have updates ready for installation. Tapping on it will display all the applications that need updating, including BOTIM. This is a vital step because keeping your apps updated is key to maintaining security and performance. At this point, take a moment to find BOTIM in the list of available updates. Scroll through the list carefully as you want to ensure you select the right app. Once you locate BOTIM, you will notice an Update button next to it. Finding your app is necessary to ensure you are focusing on the correct application that requires an update. Next up, tap the Update button next to BOTIM. This action will initiate the download and installation of the latest version of the app. During this process, you may see a progress bar indicating how much of the update has been downloaded. This step is essential because updating the app ensures you have the latest features and security improvements, enhancing your overall experience. After you tap Update, it's time to wait for the update to finish. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. You might see a message indicating that the app is updating. Stay patient. This is a normal part of the process, and soon you will have the latest version of BOTIM ready to use. Finally, once the update is complete, you can open BOTIM and start using the latest version. Look for the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tapping on it will launch the updated application, allowing you to enjoy improved performance and features. This final step is rewarding because you can now enjoy a better user experience and enhanced functionality. Following these steps ensures that you keep BOTIM updated smoothly and efficiently. Regular updates help maintain the app's security and performance. Enjoy your enhanced BOTIM experience.